Hello everyone, I am Dr. R. Maheshwari, HOD, Department of Mathematics. The aim of this FTP is to enhance the programming knowledge to our maths faculty, especially in Python. We want to improve our teaching learning process. We want to teach mathematics with applications in programming language. This is the main aim of this FTP. Python has more libraries like math, numpy. These math functions as well as tools are used for more advanced calculations. We teach linear algebra as well as statistics in Python. Surely the students will get more understanding. Thank you.
Hi all, myself Akila Devi from Department of Mathematics. As a mathematician, I think learning programming language is really new to me. I can understand the logic and flow. Learning Python is really useful because the classical way of teaching students is really vague. But once we invite the Python language, programming language knowledge in the class, the students, I think they'll have a different perception in learning mathematics. At the end of this FTP, the teachers will be provided with an Code Chef certificate, which is internationally recognized. I think it is a wonderful chance for us. So I thank our department HOD who provided a nice resource person who teaches us Python. I think this will be really useful for us in the future teaching learning process. Thank you all.
Hi everyone, I'm Revati from Department of Mathematics. Mathematics plays a vital role in science and technology right from the ancient days. Now everything is computerized. In the modern era, we need to teach our students, apart from the conventional way of learning, to soft computing technologies. Python plays a very important role in learning mathematics. Our department has facilitated with FDP on Python programming, which will enhance our computer knowledge to teach students so that they can get knowledge in artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science. Thank you.